Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful, meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Ang ating pong reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay isang timeless reading para sa ating may pinakamamahal na nasa sign ng Cancer. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, this is for you. Pag sinabi po nating timeless reading, ay no pressure at all kahit kailan nyo po ito mapanood, tomorrow, next week, next month, or even next year. Ang ibig sabihin po para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading na ito. Sige po, kapag nanonood po kayo sa ating TikTok account, please do follow and mag-comment rin po kayo. And if you want to avail a private reading, please send me a message. Hindi po kayo unang magsasend sa inyo ng message kasi marami pong scammer ngayon na nanggagaya po ng ating account, nag-re-upload ng video. So, doble ingat po kayo. Kayo po ang unang mag-send sa akin ng message para paano po mag-avail ng private reading. Sige po, dito po sa YouTube, kapag nagustuhan nyo po at di po pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po. And like, comment, and share na rin po. Thank you so much. Okay. Sige. Kunin na natin, Cancer, ang iyong 10 cards for your timeless reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Give me 10 cards, please, for Cancer. Pinakamahal kong Cancer, I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe as of the moment, and of course, you're happy. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nag-avail ng private reading last week and even this week po super busy po ang inyong lingkod. Fully booked po tayo sa mga private readings. Thank you so much po sa inyong tiwala. Sige Cancer, your 10 cards are now ready for your timeless reading. Huwag na natin pang patagalin ito. Alright, let's begin with your opening card. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, the Lover's card is here. So Cancer, I can feel an energy of, aside from stress-free with your current relationship. So I'll go first. If you're single, so may siyam pa tayong nakataob na baraha. But the energy that I can feel her is that if you're waiting for a sign, if you're waiting for a perfect message, kung talagang papasok ka na or entertain mo na itong bagong love life na nafe-feel mo, it's like it's a yes, it's a big yes. And if you're married, if you have partners, expect a more harmonious, stress-free, worry-free relationship na pagsasama niyo with your partner. So this is a very beautiful opening card. So love is in the air for you, Cancer. So let's see, titignan natin sa mga susunod na baraha. Oh, look at that. Nag-reverse ang tower. So, tower in reverse it means that, kumbaga, it's like a continued flow of goodness, of positivity in terms of relationship. And not only in, yung pagsasama ng mga partner, but even in a workplace, in a friendship, family matters, or family situation ay magiging maganda ang pagsasama nyo. Kasi naka-reverse itong tower. So if this like this, so something is about to end, there will be clarity, there will be closure. So but as of now, so dahil nag-reverse nga itong tower card, so expect continuous growth, continuous blossoming of a very beautiful and harmonious relationship in all aspects, not only in your partner, sa love life, sabi ko nga, family, friendship, and even in a workplace or even business. So this is a very beautiful of 2 cards na nagbukas. So this is a confirmation talaga na magiging maganda itong darating para sa iyo. So we have here good news. So wish fulfillment, prayers being answered with the 9 of Cups here. So, stress-free ka na talaga. Wow, Cancer. Aside from no worries na sa love life, no worries, walang problema. At least, kung may mga minamanifest kayo, so expect it. Claim mo na ito, there will be answers on your prayers and manifestations being granted here. So, with the 9 of Cups, this is good news. It's a big yes. If you're waiting for a sign, if you're looking for an answer, kung darating mo, look at this one. The sun is here. Hope is here. Good news is here. Blessings is here. So, Cancer, claim mo na ito talaga. So, sabi ko nga, with the 9 of Cups here, ng mga manifestations, wishes, and prayers being answered. So, the hope card is here. The sun card is here. So, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Baka mamaya bigla kang magsawa, bigla kang sumuko kung kailan malapit na itong parating, Cancer. So, everything will be turning on your favor. Talaga malayo ito sa dating Cancer na talaga you're at the edge of giving up. You didn't understand where all of those problems are coming from. Sabay-sabay, mental health mo naapektuhan na, physical health mo nangayayat ka, everything, hindi ka nakatulog ng maayos. Kasi it feels that talagang stagnant ang buhay mo lately. Parang, grabe, parang, meron naman, pero parang mabagal talaga yung growth. But believe me, with the Nine of Cups here and the Sun card, so everything will fall into place for you. Sa'yo naman, ikaw naman ang aako. Kumbaga sa'yo naman, iikot yung pabor. So, oh my God, Cancer. Seven of Cups is here. The card of Seven of Cups, sorry. Na-excite ako. So, as a Seven of Cups, Cancer, I can see that kung dati parang limited ka lang sa isang choice, now, there's a lot of things that you want to do. Ang daming options na gusto mong gawin, ang daming bumabagabag sa isipan mo, hindi mo alam kung alin ang uunahin mo. But this is a good problem. Whatever thing, kung ano man ang pagdesisyonan mo or piliin mo sa mga choices na to or options na to, yung mauna lang dyan. But with the Sun card and Nine of Cups is here, so it means that it will prosper, it will succeed, magdadala siya ng good news, maganda yung magiging resulta niya. So, I know, Cancer, you're very smart. I know you have a very good intuition. Okay? So, alam kong mapapagdesisyonan mo, mapipili mo kung alin ba talaga dyan ang para sa'yo ng maayos. So, but this is a good problem kasi kung dati isa lang, now you have a lot of options and choices. Alright, Cancer. Para sa yung pang-anim na bara sa yung timeless reading is the King of Swords. So, with the Lover's card here, so the universe is telling you, Cancer, to be honest, to be true to your feelings. Hindi pwedeng parang, hindi na ito yung panahon para parang, what is this? You just keeping it to yourself. Parang sinasarili mo pa yung gusto mong sabihin. That's why nagkakaroon ng miscommunication with your situation, with your friendship, your family members, and everything. It's because nananahimik ka lang. May gusto kong sabihin, but parang you just keeping it to yourself. With the King of Swords here, you are being required, you are advised to tell what you really feel. Be honest. Sabihin mo ito. Kailangan talagang may pakita mo kung ano ba talaga or may padama mo or masabi mo kung ano ba talaga nararamdaman mo. It requires honesty. You need to be honest kasi kung you just keeping it to yourself, walang mangyayari, Cancer. Okay? So also you are being advised to take a rest. Kasi parang nakikita natin dito, I can feel an energy of being restless siguro. Not physically, but even your mind is being tired. So tired. Talagang pagod na pagod. So maybe you have sleepless nights, hindi ka nakakatulog ng maayos. There's a certain cycle in your life na parang nagtitrigger nitong sleepless nights or even this, kumbaga, pagiging pagod. So, take time. Hindi pwedeng ma-compromise, Cancer, ang iyong kalusugan. So, kung pwede, gawa ng paraan, mag-set ng araw, ng mga oras na talagang puro pahinga lang because mahirap na. I can see here you're so tired. Okay? You're so exhausted. Kulang talaga sa pahinga ang buhay mo ngayon, Cancer. So, relax. Then, pag may time, so, tingnan natin. Oh, look. So, sabi ko nga, with the wish being fulfilled here, prayers being answered with the Nine of Cups. So, tingnan mo ha, the cards are being so consistent. Nine of Cups and Nine of Pentacles. So, there will be big improvement in terms of your finances, Cancer. Believe me. May parating, may loans na ma-approve, may business idea na parating, there's a help or any kind of thing na mag-improve, makakatulong sa pagpapa-improve ng iyong, what is this? Ng finances, ng financial situation mo. So, Cancer, claim mo na to. So, 9 and 9, so stability. So, kumbaga, ito yung bunga ng pagtulong mo sa kapwa mo before being maawain. So, because 9 is like as an empath. So, it seems na parang late na itong mga nakaraan, clean mo or inako mo yung mga responsibilities na kahit sa labas na ng buhay mo, ng boundaries mo, even your family, people around you, talagang binuhos mo yung tulong mo, yung time and energy mo. That's why this is the reward here. So, wishes being fulfilled, prayers being answered, improvement and recovery in terms of finances. This is a very beautiful cards for you, Cancer. Claim mo na ito, ha? Ang siyamong baraha is the Two of Pentacles. So, the Sun is with the Sun card here na ang tawag nito, hope, blessings, good news, surprises. We have the Two of Pentacles. Hindi lang isa yung opportunities na parating sa'yo. There are two and more opportunities. Okay, after all those struggles, after all of those failures and disappointments na pinagdaanan mo, Cancer here, this is the best time para bawiin mo ang lahat na to. Sabi ko nga, malayong-malayo to sa dating puro frustrations, parang stagnancy, poverty, parang kulang sa lahat, puro kinakapos, deficit. So, you're going to recover cancer in a way na sabi ko, hindi lang isa yung tulong, hindi lang isa yung opportunity na parating sa'yo, but there's more opportunities. We have two of pentacles here, so you just need to find the balance. Kailangan mo rin itong balansehin ang lahat ng bagay, oras, even your priorities, your energy, your time. So, this i-claim mo nito mga blessings, but kapag dumating ito or even as of now while waiting, so you need to balance everything. So kailangan hindi parang you're always overwhelmed. Okay, kailangan balancing lahat, lalo na emotions, kasi baka mahirap na, baka mamaya in how you're going to react pag dumating itong mga blessings na ito. 10th and last card for you, Cancer, is this, there's a big recovery period for you talaga with the Knight of Cups. So this is victory, this is success, this is good news. Bunga ito, harvest season for you. So you came from a battle and you won. You're holding now the trophy. You're holding the reward. There will be recognition, may award, may pagkilala sa husay mo, sa sipag mo. Babayaran ito, mapapalitan ito ng recognition. Of course, promotion or everything, elevation. So it's all about, kumbaga, reward after all of those hard work na ginawa mo, Cancer. It's like a paid off. Magpa-paid off ang lahat para sa iyo, Cancer. So you don't need to worry. Just keep going. Maybe the situation is not working as of now on your way, but believe me, the very beautiful cards are here. Sun, good news, hope, prayers being granted, wish fulfillment, so stability, financial improvement. So talagang meron tayong victory dito, success. So ang napaka-importante lang ng pag-aalaga sa katawan, ng health, kasi parang tired ka dito, kulang ka sa tulog, kulang ka sa pahinga. So there's a lot of opportunities that are coming on your way. Pagpipilian mo, you're overwhelmed with a lot of responsibilities. Gulong-gulong isipan mo as of now. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung unahin mo. But believe me, everything will settle later on. There will be clarity. The Tower in reverse is a confirmation that talagang your life will continue moving forward. And with the King of Swords, just need to be honest. What you're feeling, you just need to tell it. Ipakita mo, sabihin mo kung ano talagang tunay mo naramdaman. You don't need to keep it to yourself. Okay? So, but all in all, Cancer, honesty is the key. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much. I'm praying na marami nasasign ng Cancer makapulito ngayon. Thank you so much mga Cancer kong soulmates, sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal, sa inyong laging panonood at pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa susunod ating pagkikita, nasa mga kayo ngayon naroon, ano mga ginagawa niyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.